Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the background on like your subject, on like your photos, I guess. So it's pretty simple to do. You're just going to use the selection tool. By the way, this is in Adobe Photoshop if you did not realize that. And you can either select subject and remove background, or just simply select remove background, and it's going to select the subject and completely remove the background like this. It is now super simple. I remember having to actually just like line everything back then and remove it by using the selection tool and the pen tool. So this is easier now. But that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.